and welcome back, everybody. If you would like to enable the hidden developer options on your Android device and you're looking out how to do so, today we are going to guide you very easily through the process. So let's get started. Launch the settings application on your Android device for that. And once you launch your settings app, you can scroll down and go to the About Phone section if it is not turned on. So you can scroll to the bottom of the settings menu and tap on About Phone or About Device. Once you tap on it, you can just go over and find the option for your build number. You can find it under software information. So tap on software information. And when you do, here you'll be finding an option called build number. Now what you need to do is once you can just go over and tap on the build number 7 times rapidly, and you will be seeing a countdown message indicating how many taps are left. And once you confirm it up, once you do the 7 taps, it will prompt you to enter your device's PIN, password, or pattern. You can just go over and follow it up, and you'll be finding the developer options being enabled. Once confirmed, you will be finding option of developer options and also a message stating that you are now a developer. You can just go over and tap on it to access the developer options, and that's it. So therefore, everybody, if you'd like to enable the hidden developer options on your Android, this is pretty much it. It is very quick and easy. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.